Here, because I got to back up. But come on, Amaya. Come on. Look. Come on, Amaya. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Amaya, you want to come to the doggy? Here, come to the doggy and give him a hug. Want to hold that? No. Your doggy sit. Doggy sit.
Oh, that's probably too heavy.
Is it too heavy?
It's making her off balance.
Come here, good doggy. Doggy. Nice doggy. Amaya, here. Good job.